Hello, we're here on the Lobby sa Pansol. Yeah. This is the mountain. See? The view. This is the pool. This is syempre my best companion. This is Pao and Rana.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, posing. Oh yeah. Fine, not lang. About Edel and Ron, here they are. Edel is sleeping while Ron is standing. Oh yeah.
Ay, si Ron ba na yung nakuhanan ko?
This is the buko tree, the swimming pool. See how amazing? Very mahaba. Here pa oh. Oh, 'di ba? So beautiful. Ayun po. Oh. And the view, the sunset, you see. See how beautiful the earth is. Oh, come on. The housing, the mountain. Of course, the slide. See the slide? Amazing. This is the big pool. This is Pao taking her pics. And also Rana, pa-cute. And also me. Okay, that's enough. This is our tour, our swimming, our summer. This is the best. Kahit 5 lang kami, pero still enjoy. Because we are the true friends. Oh, come on. Okay, tama na. Bye-bye na. Baka maingit kayo masyado. Ano ba?